arts and crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today we're going to have a look at this. It's the Love from Lizi July 2023 card kit and it's called Peach Blossom, and I have to say I'm loving what's in this kit. Let me take everything out of the Ziploc bags that they come in and we'll have a look through it together. So the first thing we'll look at is the cardstock that comes in the kit. We get 5 sheets. It's American letter size, so that means it's 8.5 by 11. So you can cut them down through the middle or across the middle and you'll get 2 A2 size cards. The white cardstock is a smooth white cardstock, so you can use that with your alcohol markers and use it for stamping. So that's always lovely to have in the kit and to have in our stash. We get this lovely, it's like a buttermilk cream kind of a color cardstock. We get this black cardstock. We get a light green cardstock, and we get this darker green cardstock. So there are 5 sheets that we get of cardstock. We also get some acetate. Now this is the UK size acetate. So you'll find it's a little bit longer, but not as wide as the American letter size. And that, I think Lizi put that in with the idea of using it for shaker cards, etc. Then we get 3 pieces of craft cardstock. And these again are the European size cardstock. There's 3 of them and they're the same color on both sides. Some cardstock are a lighter shade at the back, but these are all the same color. So all together we get 8 sheets of cardstock and 1 sheet of acetate. We also get some craft cards and envelopes. So we get this, I think this is a 5 by 5. Let me just quickly measure it. It's a little bit bigger actually. It's 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. So that's a nice size craft card to have. And we have the matching envelope. It's here somewhere. Let me just see if I can find it. Yes, there it is. We have the matching envelope for that. So I'll put that over there so you can see it. Next, we get a DL size envelope and card in the craft card. And you can see there the inside is a lighter shade than what's on the outside, and we can have that as a side folding card or as a top folding card, whichever you like. So it's always nice to get extra cards and envelopes in our kit. Then we get a 5 by 7 card in the craft card. And there's a score line and everything on it there, so all you need to do is just burnish that score line. And we get our envelope then as well to match. And then finally we have this one. This is the English A6 or the European A6. So in America you have an A2 size card. Over in this side of the pond we have an A6 size card, and we have a matching envelope for that as well. Now, if you're wanting to know what size it is, this card is a 4 1/8 by 5 3/4. So that's that one. So that's lovely that Lizi has put in 4 extra cards with envelopes. So you can have a go at any size card. And if you watch my tutorials, I make A2 size cards. I make 5 by 7, 6 by 6. So those will come in really handy. Next, we have the patterned paper pack that comes in the kit. This is called Peach Blossom. It's 6 by 6 and we get 24 single-sided pattern papers and they're 220 GSM. So Lizi generally picks out her favorite pattern paper from the lot and she puts her panel here. Now we can cover up that panel and still use this as a piece of pattern paper. So that's the cover sheet. We get a couple of just plain color sheets in this. So I'm going to quickly go through them so that you can see the colors that are coming through. And there's not just the plain colors that you can see here. There's also some pattern papers as well. And I just love the color palette that we have going on here. So now we have our pattern papers coming through. And, you know, there's some nice subdued kind of backgrounds as well as the really colorful ones. So we'll have a look. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving that. A really nice color palette, I think, going on. And with 24 sheets, I don't think Lizi has been one bit stingy with the paper pack this month. Really, really lovely. So now let's have a look and see what else came in the kit. We got fabulous peel-offs. These are a lovely green color and they have a gold edging around them. So they're the pinstripes. They come in 3 different widths, and on the edge and top we have a lovely gold outline. So that's really smashing. I love that. Then we have an ephemera pack, and if you watch my channel, you'll know that my favorite thing to get in a card kit is an ephemera pack. And boy, do we get lots of ephemera. There are hearts and there are flowers, there's leaves, there's lots in this, and it picks up all the pattern paper. There's also these strips of pattern paper, but they're going to work with our stamp set. So this has really been well thought out. And I'm not going to go through them all with you now, but I'm going to just pop some down there for you to see. I love these little jars, the mason jars. You can add your ephemera sprigs like this one here, and you can have your flowers popping out of them if you want. So really lovely. So we got lots and lots of ephemera in there, all floral and leaves and hearts and just a plethora of fab ephemera. I'm delighted with that. I'm going to have so much fun. Next we get these 3 stickers, and they're like a chalkboard on them. And these are a lovely sticker. I was thinking you could use like white embossing powder and emboss a sentiment on this. I think would be really, really cool. We get some stamps and dies, and the stamps and die sets this month are just fab. We get a real stash builder. You can see here with the sentiments: greetings, warm hugs, thank you, best wishes, miss you, love you, and hello. Then we have a larger hello and a large love. And these will work in conjunction with the love and the you that's here in the die set. We have a background stamp here for a color, for a flower, and we also have the center of your flower, which will make a nice background as well. And then we have 2 dies, our center of our flower and the outline of our flower. We also get this flower die, some leaves, some hearts, just so much going on. And with the you, this will stamp out the word you, so you can have love you, or you know, you can use some of these, hello you, You know, just really, really clever, I think. And like I was saying, these little strips that come in the ephemera pack, they will work well, especially the not so busy ones like this one. You can stamp the best wishes, the miss you. Any of these will fit on some of the little strips that come in the ephemera pack. So I think between the die set and the stamp set, we're really, really doing so well this month. I really feel Lizi does not skimp when it comes to a card kit. I find for what you pay, I think it's one of the best card kits. And I know I'm a design team member and I know I'm sent this for free, but this was a kit I always purchased once I found out about them because I felt they were a great stash builder, and I still feel the same. And I think if I could only choose one kit to purchase, then hands on heart, I do think it would be the Love from Lizi kit. I do love it. Okay, next we have an embellishment bag, and in that we get some more stickers, we get some little pearls, and we get some tags. So let me get these out for you to see. So these are the little pearls, and I think Christy Marcotte said there was something like 60 little pearls on this. Isn't that fabulous? I just think that's brilliant. We get again 2 of these chalk tags, and we get 4 of these little sticker tags as well. We get some chalk because Lizi loves Lizi loves to throw something different and unusual into her kits on occasion. So, I mean, we have chalks, boards, stickers, and tags. So why not throw in a piece of chalk in with it? So yeah, you can use it in your card making, or you can just use it if you have a chalkboard in your craft room or craft place. Or if you have a kid and you know they'd enjoy a piece of chalk, there you go, piece of chalk. So well done, Lizi, for putting something in, you know, that others wouldn't think of. We also get this roll of thick foam tape. And this is lovely. Now, the width of this is, let's see, it's 1/2 inch wide, and it is 1/8 of an inch deep. I think it's 1/8. So it's not too thick. If you want to use foam tape and you don't want a thick foam tape, then this will be perfect for you. You can see there how thick that is. So really lovely. I love when Lizi throws in crafty things like this. This is good to have in our stash. It'll be great as well for making you know, shaker cards using our acetate. It's always nice to have the foam thrown in there as well. We get some baker's twine, and our baker's twine, we get 3 different types and they're 1 meter long. We get this lovely craft twine, and we get a brown and white, and we get an orange and white. So they're lovely. And then finally in our kit, we get some sequins, and the sequins are golds and blacks. There are black little hearts in here, as well as black rounds. And then we have the regular sequins in different golds. So we have a lovely matte gold, and we have a holographic gold. And I have to say, I love this. This is everything I want in a sequin mix. I love it. It's fab. So I'm going to have to make a shaker card, guys, because, you know, that's such a special mix in there. It deserves to go in a shaker card, as well as embellishing our cards. So that's the sequins that we got in there as well. So that's everything that came in the kit, and what a fully loaded kit we got. I mean, yeah, I'm delighted with that. Now, if you've seen Lizi's release video, you'll know there's loads of products on the website that you can purchase that will go well with this, as well as lots of extras in there. It's so much that you could use as a crafter, and I have gotten some little extras in my box. First of all, there are some peel off packs Lizzie has put together. This one is going to go so well with the kit. It's got a fab green, a brown, a kind of a neutral, and a peach color. They're pinstripes, and again they have the gold edging on them. And then there's this pack as well. This is all the blacks Lizzie thought would be great with this kit. So we have the butterfly peel offs, the wavy, we have the pinstripe, and we have the regular, all one width. I love this pack. I love the way Lizzie puts packs together for us. It makes it so easy when you want to get some peel offs. So I got those. Lizzie also does nesting dies. Now, you've seen me use the nested circles as well as the nested rectangles. Well, Lizzie does nested ovals now, and I'm so pleased to have these in my stash. I know they'll be a regular go-to. I like how the width of them, some ovals are just a small kind of squashed circle, whereas these are a nice proper oval. So these will be great for either die cutting out sentiments or for using to embellish a card or even making a card. I just love these. The largest one, it measures, let's see, it's 5.5 from top to bottom. So the height is 5.5, and the width on the largest one is 4.25. And you can see there we get lots of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dies. So Lizzie really did squash in as many as she could into those ovals. So 15 ovals, that's brilliant. I'm delighted with that. And then finally, I love using the VersaCraft ink. We did get 3 cubes a couple of kits ago, and I loved using them. So I asked Lizzie, would she send me some more? I even gave her a list of the colours I wanted. So I have got tangerine, burgundy, maize, bubblegum, ash rose, garnet, and brick. And I'll tell you, I love using these for stamping. The colours in them are great. I have a fantastic range from Distress inks and Distress oxides and Harmony inks and VersaFine Clear inks, but the VersaCraft and the VersaFine Clear, those 2 inks are my favorite inks to use, because whether you're stamping a fine sentiment or stamping a large flower like this one here, they stamp beautifully. So I'm delighted with those. So don't forget to go to Lizzie's website and you can order products. You can have them put into your kit and sent with your kits. So that's it, friends. That is what came in this kit. The beautiful, beautiful kit, Peach Blossom, this July. I'm going to start crafting away now with these, and hopefully I'll have a 10 cards 1 kit video out to you real soon. So until then, folks, have a great week. Enjoy your crafting and your crafty space, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, everyone.